In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam no connection error. If Steam says it can't connect, we'll walk through a clean, safe checklist to get you back online quickly. Start by confirming your internet actually works outside of Steam. Open a browser or another app and make sure pages load and videos play. If anything seems sluggish or offline, reboot both your router and your PC. Unplug the router for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, wait for the lights to stabilize, then restart your computer. A fresh network and system restart clears a lot of hidden hiccups that can block Steam. Next, fully close Steam and make sure no background processes are hanging around. Click Steam's icon in the system tray and choose Exit. Then open Task Manager and end any remaining Steam processes you see. Relaunch Steam afterward. This step clears stuck background tasks that can keep Steam from reconnecting properly. If Steam opens but still looks frozen on connection, use Steam's own reset. In the top left Steam menu, choose Go Offline, let it switch, and then choose Go Online. This refreshes your session and often fixes store or friends list that won't load. Now, head into Settings and clear the download cache. This forces Steam to refresh its connection and content data without touching your installed games. After clearing, Steam will restart, and you may need to sign in again, so have your login ready. It's a safe and effective way to remove stale data that can block downloads or updates. While you're there, clear Steam's built-in web browser data. The store and community pages use an embedded browser, and bad cache web data can prevent them from loading. Clearing it gives Steam a clean slate for web content. Make sure Steam is allowed through your firewall. In Windows Firewall or any third-party security suite, check that Steam's entries are enabled for both private and public networks. If Steam isn't listed, add it, then try connecting again. If you still can't connect, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus just to test. If Steam connects with them off, turn protection back on immediately and add Steam as an exception so it can communicate normally. Also check your router settings to ensure it isn't blocking the network ports Steam requires. Work through these steps in order, and you should see Steam connect reliably again. If one step fixes it, you can stop there. Thanks for watching.